Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to get rid of unwanted space from your Excel data. For that I have a name and the phone number with some unwanted space, and we are going to remove those spaces from both the columns. For name I am going to use trim function. Write down the trim, select the cell, close the parenthesis, press enter and drag down the formula. And now we have the new string with the name and the surname with a single space between both the word. So when we use trim function, it removes all the spaces from a string except a single space between word. Alright, so in case of phone number, we do not want any space between the digits. For that, I am going to use substitute function. I will write down the substitute, select the text, press comma, old text, which is space. So I will, in double inverted comma, I will enter the space with comma. I want to replace space with nothing, so I will just write down double inverted comma, close the parenthesis, press enter and drag down the formula. So when we are using the substitute function, we are replacing the space with nothing, and when we are using the trim function, it will remove all the space from your string except a single space between a word, between words. I hope you understand how to get rid of unwanted space from your Excel data. Thanks for watching.